This is a war that's being fought on like pretty quiet streets. Places that are normally pretty sleepy.
As soon as everybody's dismounted, and you guys will just trail up.
Before dawn on May 20th, you had federal agents wearing body armor, carrying assault rifles and tear gas, surrounding these quiet suburban homes in San Fernando and Burbank, and arrested 13 alleged members and associates of two Armenian organized crime groups. And over the last 3 years, those two crews have basically been at war. There's been shootings outside a Starbucks in Sunland. A woman was shot pulling into her apartment building in Universal City with her kids in the car. A man was murdered in bed next to his wife. To hear federal prosecutors tell it, it all came down to a conflict between two Armenian American men who were fighting for control of the city's underworld. For years, there was a man named Armenian, better known as Puzo, who lived in a luxury condominium tower in Glendale, and federal authorities say he was actually anointed the boss of the Armenian underworld by kind of senior organized crime leaders back in Moscow. Kazarian was deported to Armenia in 2017, and that seems to have left a power vacuum in the Los Angeles underworld. Court documents really paint a picture of a no-holds-barred war that's been fought over the last few years. These two factions were allegedly using drones to surveil their targets. They would use multiple vehicles to ambush their targets. In addition to the shootings, one of the crews kidnapped a man who they thought knew something about a hit attempt, and they tortured him. They recorded videos of themselves torturing him. According to the complaint, Armenian organized crime figures use members of Black and Sureño street gangs to carry out hits and kidnappings. This is a level of violence that really exceeds the typical gang banging or street level violence that we normally see in Los Angeles.